Greetings, Eric Bakker. Thanks for checking out the video. We're back again. So we're going to be talking about the 25 founding gut health group. I've decided to do something I've never done before, and that's to go live on YouTube once per week. And initially, this is going to suit people in America and Canada, mainly due to the time zone. I get up early anyway, so for me, it's not a problem. 6 a.m. on Sundays, which will relate to 3 or 4 different time zones in the United States and America. Afternoons or early evening on Saturday will be over there for people. But there'll be people in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, no doubt tuning in for these live sessions as well. What's the 25 founding gut health group? Well, as you all know, I've retired, but I'm not really going to be sitting in some men's shed with a little knife carving bits of wood or, sitting in Florida on a beach drinking alcohol or whatever. But I prefer to do this kind of work. I thought, let's just get back into seeing people again, but this time in a group session. I think a group session is going to be pretty good because it's more supportive. So members of the group can support each other. Applications are open now, and they'll be closing on the August the 7th. And I'll be kicking off the live sessions on August the 8th. That will be Saturdays, US, August the 8th. But as I say, people in other countries may want to watch in as well if they want to get up at some crazy hour or whatever. What's this 25 Gut Health Founding Group? Well, it's going to be based around my 3-stage light program, which is remove, replace, and rebuild. I published 3 books on Amazon. Well, they're going up on Amazon at the moment. They're being formatted in EPUB and in paperback. But the light program will suit a lot of people because it's 84 pages. It's a very easy, quick read. And it's built around, in America, what they call the 5R program, which is rebuilding a person's digestive system from the bottom up. But I've created an easier version of this for people, a more realistic version. There's a lot of lifestyle tips in that book as well. You can get a copy of that book if you want for free. If you go to Candida.com, you scroll down the bottom of the homepage and you can actually just grab that book if you want, put your email address in and you'll get it. But it's based around that program. And there's going to be live weekly sessions for some time for people that want to attend that. And there's no cost in that at all. I'm just going to read a bit of stuff off the screen here. I posted this up on Reddit. So if you're not familiar with Reddit, Reddit's quite an interesting website. And they have these things called subreddits. So a lot of people go to Reddit to look for information. I've got about 70 posts up on Reddit. I started a year ago. You can see the details down in the bottom in the description box. So you just go /Candida and you'll see me on Reddit. I just put a post up which I've pinned and that explains exactly what this program is going to be all about. So I'm just going to read a bit off the screen here. Participants should be willing to attend the live group sessions once per week, which will be on Saturdays in America. They should have completed the gut health assessment. There's a 50-question gut health assessment. Again, if you go to Candida.com, you can click on that and complete that assessment. It only takes a few minutes, and again, it's all free. And participants should also be willing to get that book, which I'll give to them for free, the 3-stage light program. It's a PDF, and we'll go through that book stage by stage. I'll also be giving the people who attend plenty of free special resources that I've created for patients over the years. So I sort of fine-tuned those for this 3-stage gut program. There's recipes and there's all sorts of hacks and tips and tricks I've learned from seeing quite a lot of people over time. Also, I'd like people to share feedback about their experience so we can help to create future educational resources. But I've got to make it quite clear that the sessions won't be one-on-one medical care. I won't have the time to go through 25 individual case histories and communicate privately about personal health concerns, interpreting lab results, commenting on medications, providing personalized sort of one-on-one plans. I did that for nearly 40 years with tens of thousands of people. I'm getting older now. I rather do group sessions and answer any kind of questions that person's got online. Not a problem at all, but the one-on-one, it's just, I don't really want to go back there again. As you can imagine, I did a lot of very intense work for a long time. So the intense work I got now is with my granddaughter, which is awesome. I'm really interested to see if these small groups, supportive groups, can help people stay focused and achieve better outcomes than if they're trying to tackle these things all by themselves. I think this is going to help me create better educational resources going forward for a wider group of people as well. So if you're based in the United States or Canada and have been struggling with a lot of digestive issues, then I encourage you to participate in the supportive group. 25 people initially. We've already got 5 people that have put their name down for this. This program is best suited for people who have ongoing bloating or suspected Candida overgrowth or have IBS digestive symptoms. I've previously been told they've got SIBO, food intolerances. They want to improve their gut health. They want to be in a supportive kind of environment. But this program will not be suitable, however, for those who've got a serious medical condition requiring specialist care, undergoing active cancer treatment, or you've got a complex medical condition involving multiple specialists, or if you're someone who's taking multiple prescription medications that require, close medical management, like if you've got on multiple diabetes drugs or you're on blood thinners, for example, or people who require urgent medical care. And again, if you're looking for one-on-one consultations, it's probably not really a good fit for you then. So if this sounds like it's good for you, then I would like you to apply, and you'll see the instructions again below in the description box. So applications open now. They close on August the 7th or earlier when all the 25 places are filled. There's a special email address down below also you can look at, Eric Bakker Candida at proton.me, but you can see that down below. Personally, we'll be reading every single application and selecting all the 25 applicants, and this will be a pilot program, and I'm looking forward to doing this very much. I've done quite a lot of work at colleges in the past with groups of people. I've done a lot of one-on-one sessions in my clinic, online and both in this room for a long time. I've done plenty of lecturing in Australia and New Zealand to health professionals, and I completed many public talks. I'm looking forward to this next chapter in my life, which is more online sort of group sessions with people. But this will be a first pilot project involving 25 people, and if it's successful, I'll roll it out more, try and also then involve people from other regions or locations depending on the input. So I look forward to hearing from you guys, and that's all I got to say today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to look in the description box below. Thank you.